Today we're delivering on a long requested item, and that's the ability to pause SLA timers automatically under certain user-definable conditions. We've really taken our time here to ensure that we'd be able to accommodate a vast array of use cases with this feature. It all starts with business hours, which you can find in your admin settings. This is where you'll define your hours of operation as well as your holiday calendar. So here we've enabled our business hours, and we're using the default holiday calendar for the United States. You can see what holidays are included by clicking this Holiday Calendar button. Here you can enable, disable, or even delete any given holiday from your calendar. In fact, you can even add your own custom holidays as well. And don't worry, when next year rolls around, we'll automatically update the default holidays for you. Business hours and your holiday schedule play an important role in how SLA timers are structured. In fact, we plan on building additional functionalities on top of business hours in the future. For instance, we've just released a new setting in your ticket preferences that allows your SMS-based ticket responses to adhere to your business hours and holiday schedule. So now you can ensure that you aren't inadvertently sending your customers SMS responses to their tickets late at night or over the holidays. So let's head over and take a look at our updated Service Level Agreements UI. You'll notice that we've added a few new columns to the list here. The first is that you can now clearly see the status of your SLAs. In this scenario, they're all active, meaning the timers associated with each SLA are going to actively count down. However, you can pause the timer for all tickets associated with this SLA with the click of a button. You can even pause the timers for all of your SLAs at once if you needed to. Now, the SLAs themselves have been completely redone. We've made our time to response and time to resolution timers a lot more flexible than they were before. We've also added this new SLA breach warning, which can trigger notifications through the Notification Center. It will also add some color coding to your ticket list to better identify when tickets are in danger of breaching your SLA timer. I'll show you that in just a moment. Now, scrolling down a little further, you'll see that you can now enable what we're calling SLA active hours. This can either be based on your business hours, or you can set your own custom active hours on a per SLA basis. You can even define whether or not this SLA will utilize your custom holiday schedule, again, on a per SLA basis. So what this will do is automatically take any ticket assigned to this service level agreement, pause their timers as your business closes, and automatically restart them again the next time your business opens. We also allow you to get extremely granular with how your SLA timers behave in relation to ticket statuses. For instance, you probably wouldn't want your SLA timers running when you're waiting for your customer to respond, so you can set which statuses will automatically pause this particular SLA's timers. When the ticket status changes to one that isn't enabled here, the timers will start back up again all on their own. Lastly, you can automatically assign every ticket associated with this SLA to a particular technician, and you can also reassign the ticket to a different technician if and when a breach occurs. On your tickets list, tickets which have breached their SLA timers will change to a red color. Tickets which are in danger of breaching their SLA timers will change to an orange color. You can also open the modal here to quickly determine how long ago this particular ticket breached its SLA. You can do the same for tickets in danger of breaching. This information is also available on the ticket record itself. Finally, we've added a new filter to your saved ticket searches. You can filter by tickets with a breached SLA status, by those in danger of breaching, and of course by those that have no issues at all. So that's our new service level agreement timers, available starting today.